It's an absolute great pleasure to have attended IVIS 2025 this week. It's been an amazing collection of talks, presentations, focusing on the immunology around veterinary animals and other animals too. At the heart of this, of course, is infection and the prevention through vaccination. And many of the diseases which are studied here are of bacterial origin. And this is where BactiVac has helped support this meeting by organising a workshop on the opening day. So within our workshop, we had Salmonella first of all presented as a cross-cutting theme. Francesca opened the discussions first of all by framing this with the extraordinarily large amount of information which has been accumulated around the epidemiology of Salmonella. Mark then presented his work on the type of antigens which are present within Salmonella and their contribution to pathogenicity and their potential for targeting as vaccines. Lastly, in this part of the workshop, Constantino presented his own work and the context of vaccines which are already out there. Subsequent to this, we had a talk from Tom talking about vaccines against E. coli 0157 in cattle. Lastly, we heard from Elise about mycoplasma infections in livestock. And then to cap it all, then Peter chaired a session which was a Q&A session taking different viewpoints from the audience and trying to really contextualize these to help everyone understand the best way to take their academic thoughts to turn them into successful vaccines. It was a really, really exciting workshop.
So I think it was a very nice session. The discussion was fantastic. We got a lot of very nice feedback and information, other systems to understand more about the immune system, about the correlates of protection, and what are the needs and the challenges they are facing.
Overall, this workshop was a great success, and we're grateful to everyone who was involved in this. Especially grateful to Gary Entriken and Jane Hope, who started this process off in IVIS 2023. And then following on from this, IVIS 2025, we're extraordinarily grateful to the organising committee there because they actually allowed us to participate in this meeting. Then of course, we're extremely grateful to our speakers for their contributions and to our chairs for leading such great discussion. And thank you to you for all attending and for listening.